Hey guys, Hiace here, back in the video. So today I have the third Tarmac Works membership for you guys today, and by third I am literally the third. So the third one from the start or the third one on this channel, whatever way you like to interpret it. So this is the Tarmac Works Owners Club 2021-2022 membership car, and usually when you buy the membership you have to get the car with it. You cannot buy the membership separately. And as you can see, we have the chassis number 429, quite a low number considering like it was 2 years ago and they are like in 2000 quantity. So I am guessing not a lot of guys have purchased this particular model, which is quite a shame. But as you can see, it comes in this very nice cardboard box, and underneath that we have all the information about the licensing, I believe, or not. They may be on the inside, so you have to check. So it is the Toyota minivan. In this video I will just call it the minivan because as you can see it has a very weird name, so I am not going to pronounce it and destroy my reputation. So let's just quickly unbox it and see what we get inside. First up we have the card itself, and then we have the car on the inside there, as you can see. Let's take a look at the card first. It is a metal card. It has like a Japanese license plate style to it. Very nice. The car is in the packaging very securely, so you have to try a bit to take it out. And once it's out, you can see how heavily modified this Toyota minivan is. It even has a spoiler on the back, and this is the type of thing that you can only expect in Japan, totally converting a minivan into a fully built race car or a drift car. I believe this is the particular version. Yeah, it is the drift version. So a lot of sponsors here, so this is going to be quite a long video because whatever sponsor I can remember, I will just talk about it a bit. So here's the model at last. Comes with this very nice acrylic case. You can take a closer look once we remove it. And here is the car with its base. The base is also quite nicely drilled. It has a very nice texture given to it, and we have also some information about it as well. It is the Toyota Widebody drift version, Tarmac Works Owners Club, limited to 1999 pieces. And as always, it is only held by one screw at the bottom, although it is a very big car, but still Tarmac Works has decided one screw is enough. So let's quickly remove it and take a closer look at it. Now the very first impression of this car is that it has like the most amount of detail I have seen in a Tarmac Works vehicle so far, and in this video I'm going to go through every single one of them because this is like a very nice model. So starting with the front, we have this very nice front grille. As you can see, nothing too special over here. That's not the main part. The headlights are plastic insert. As you can see, they have this like headlight shape inside them also, which is I think quite difficult to replicate in a scale model, but Tarmac Works has done a pretty solid job over here. At the front we have the Toyota logo and the Goodyear logo, and above that we have a website link, which I am guessing is the company that produced this model in real life, not the scale version, because we already know who produced that. On the sides there you can see we have loads and loads of sponsors over here. So first up we have the CRS, and to me basically all of these are unknown. I actually can only identify the Momo over here, and that's about it. And if you look at the windshield over here, we have a very nice windshield. You can see we also get some window wipers, and on top of that we have a strip of lettering over here. Again the CRS logo is there, and we have some Japanese text written on it, which I have absolutely no idea. On the interior you can see we have the license plate that I actually showed you earlier, and for some reason the 3 is already printed on there, which is quite strange to me because why only put like 3 in it? There could be like some reasons why they put the 3 in it. And you can see we have also the 3 dots where the other letters would go. And the interior from here you can see it is quite nicely detailed. I will be opening this car up with the 2 screws at the bottom. I think I can open it up, so we'll take a closer look at that. The other side of the car has the same sponsors, as you can see, quite nicely detailed, although you can see like in perfect lighting it is a decal that is stuck onto the car body. In Tarmac Works usually the decals are quite clearly visible. You can see like this whole front of the hood over here, all the sponsors are like a single decal. You can clearly see the markings over here, but the color matching is like so perfect. If you place it far away you won't be able to tell any difference between the metal body and the decal color. Again, a very huge plus point. On the fender, or whatever this is called in a minivan or something like that, we have some more logos as well beneath the headlight, and we have an intake over here as well, which is quite small compared to the front one. Moving to the door, you can see we have a quite nicely detailed door handle on both the ends. As you can see, same in the like sliding door thing, you can see how nicely they are detailed, painted black as well. The wheels are also quite nicely detailed. They have like these black dots on the inside to replicate the nuts that hold the wheel in place. The rim is white, and then the most outer edge of the rim is silver painted, which I'm guessing will be the chrome finish that they were trying to look for. Looks very nice, and the tires are also treaded, which is absolutely beautiful to see. The mirrors in this case are black painted, and these are like metallic mirrors, so they are quite sturdy, and they also have the reflective surface inside them, which is also a plus point. Mini GT has never done that, so in Tarmac Works it is a plus point when you buy that. Moving to the sliding door, we get our look at the racing number for this particular van, which is number 10, and underneath that we get some more sponsors as well. At the bottom you can see this is a quite big vehicle, so putting sponsors in that wouldn't be like a tough job because they have so much real estate to put sponsor anywhere they like. And it has this very nice like gray and red design given to it, which looks absolutely sick in my opinion. Same on the other side, you can see we have also the CRS900.com, which is I'm guessing the company logo, the CRS, which is right over here. Quite nice. The interior again over here is quite empty. Maybe filling it up would be a nice idea. You know, you can get like small boxes in 1:64 scale and fill this van up. That would be a quite nice little project that you can do. Now moving to our gray area, you can see we also get some sponsors over here. This whole like thing that you see over here, it is actually a decal. You can clearly see the decals over here, and it goes all the way over here. It kind of looks like a wrap that has been put on the car, which is like very tough to do. I mean, the workers who put the decals onto the car body are like very skilled in my opinion. In this case, you can see how big this decal is actually. You know, it starts from all the way back here, I believe, and then goes all the way to the front of the vehicle almost. We get some stickers on it as well. You can see we have different logos over here, and they are like, I think, separate logos, like decal on top of a decal, because they have this very nice metallic finish, which is I think can be achieved only with a separate printer. You can see on this side the logo is like straight away, and then if you look at it over here, it is like tilted towards the left. So this is a minor alignment issue that has been going on Tarmac Works. On the top also, if you see, the whole roof is quite nicely detailed with this like serrations going on, and then this decal has been pasted on separately. You can see like where the decal ends and the bare metal starts. Moving further back, we can see we have the spoiler over here, and I think this is like one of the best spoilers I have seen on a car, or any car I would say, because it has a very nice aggressive look to it. Don't know why in particular I like this exhaust, but I would like to see this more in like sports car. So on the top we have the logo. On the sides of the spoiler we also have logos on both the ends, as you can see, and also we have a logo at the underneath, which is the Goodyear logo. Now at the back windshield we will get some more logos, and you can see that this time around it is I think not a decal, but somehow they were able to paste them. Maybe like it's a transfer sheet, something like that stuff. So these are like stickers that first go onto our transfer sheet, and then that transfer sheet goes onto the back mirror, and then it is removed and the logo stays in place. So this is I think a very nice way to do it. You can see like there is no transparent plastic that you can see over here, unlike this one over here. Like you can see this massive transparent plastic sheet or a decal sheet, whatever it is called. The Toyota logo has been removed, or it may have been that like Tarmac Works didn't have the time and money to print the Toyota logo over here, so they just left empty space. But I'm guessing like in the original car as well they have to remove this logo. On the back side you will also get the number 10, and then the license plate again, which is again the same one as at the front, 3 dots, and then the number 3 is printed. Nothing too special over here. Now if you look at the drivetrain, I mean, I have to say this is like one of the best drivetrains I have seen so far. It is very nicely detailed apart from the screw holes. And this time around they have like gone all the way out on their exhaust system, because this time around not only the exhaust pipe but the pipe going through the engine and also the catalytic converter have been painted in silver finish, and this really distinguishes it from the rest of the drivetrain over here, which looks absolutely sick. And the exhaust system as always have a nice paint around them, have the hole inside it, and is black painted on the inside. So this exhaust is like the best exhaust so far that I've seen in diecast models. Maybe we will see more of this in the future models from Tarmac Works, which is always nice to see the improvement. Now let's open this model up with these 2 screws over here and take a look at the interior. So this is what you will get after opening this car up. First you will get the diecast body itself, which has all the plastic windows inside it. The wheel set, they fall out quite easily, and then the drivetrain or the base, whatever you like to call it. And then we have the interior, and as you can see it is quite nicely detailed. You can like see the seats over here have this, I think it's called a 5-point seating belt system, or a 6-point, I believe. 2 goes from the top, 2 from below, and 1 on either side. So quite a nicely detailed seats. You can see red in color, have black seat belts, and those seat belts also have like a tightening buckle onto them, which is also quite nice. The dashboard over here, as you can see, is also quite nicely detailed. You get like different gauges, speedometer, steering wheel, the main brake lever, I believe. So all in all, a very nicely detailed interior. So that is, guys, the Tarmac Works Owners Club third car, which is the Toyota Widebody drift version, and this was a very nice model to have. They have now, I think, like sort of reduced their quality after this particular model, which was the Datsun. I didn't really like that much. The W13 was quite good, and then the 1 and 2, which were the Pagani and the Porsche, were also quite good. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I also will be doing a review on the Pagani as well. Not sure about the Porsche, but surely enough I will get it one day. So as always, I will catch you all in the next one.